Hello fam, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to share with you how I make Ghanaian bull fruit or puff puff. So today I will start by activating my yeast. Normally you don't need to do this, but I always want to make sure the yeast is still active. So in this little bowl, I added sugar, yeast, and also warm water, which I'm going to set it aside for 5 minutes, okay, and get back to you. All right, so fam, in the mixing bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll go in with nutmeg, 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to mix everything together. Okay, after mixing everything together like this, I'll also go in with salt, which I prefer to hide it somewhere or put it aside because I don't want the salt to come in contact with the yeast. Otherwise it will kill the yeast completely. Okay, it has happened to me. That is why I hide it under the flour. So the yeast is also ready, and I'm going to also add into the bowl and melted butter, guys. Okay, so now I am going to mix everything just like this before adding milk or water. Whilst that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and my returnees. You guys are truly amazing. My God will bless you for me. Thank you all so much. Keep staying on this channel, okay? Don't go anywhere. Thank you, guys. Alright fam, so at this point I'm going to use my hand to mix it and make sure to achieve the perfect texture that I'm looking for. Alright, so if you have hand mixture, you can also use it. Alright, now that my mixture is on point, I'm going to cover it with plastic or foil and also kitchen towel, something that will keep it warm. If you have warm place like your oven, not too hot, just place it in there, okay? It will do the work for you. All right, now the waiting is over, so I'm going to fry the buffaloes. As you can see, I'm adding some oil in my pan. We can't wait anymore. Look at all this. The dough has rised correctly. This is perfect for me to fry the buffaloes. Okay, all right. So if you are watching my video till now and are not subscribing, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your loved ones, and if you love the videos, kindly like, comment, and don't forget also to click the bell notification button so that you get every video that I post immediately. A lot of people told me that they like puff puff, but they actually don't want to use their hand to scoop it and drop it into the oil. But it's not a problem. You can actually use 2 spoons. You scoop, then you use another scoop to dip a little bit of oil on the scoop on the spoon, then you drop it into the oil. It's very easy. I forgot to show it or demonstrate it, but next time I will do puff puff, I will make sure to demonstrate how to use spoon to drop your dough into the oil. All right fam, so now I'm taking them out, and right after this I'm going to also fry the second batch. And guys, there is something also I have noticed on my channel. We have some people that will come as soon as you posted a video, they will come under the video and give you a comment without even watching the video at all. Please, before commenting the video, make sure you watch the video at least, if not for anything, 2 to 3 minutes, before you give your comments. But we have some people that they will not watch the video at all, but they will give you a comment and leave the video behind. That will kill my video, okay? And YouTube is not going to recommend my video or that particular video if you do that. So please have this notice. Thank you so much for your understanding. All right, fam, thank you so much for watching till now. This is the end of today's recipe. I hope you guys will enjoy it though. Anyway, one of my subscriber, her name is Vivian, Sister Viv. You requested I should show you how to make both fruits, so this is it. I hope you are going to watch it. Okay, thank you so much for your request. I see you guys with another beautiful video. Until then, take care of yourself. Be blessed wherever you are. Bye.